Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Have you guys ever wanted to actually build your credit score, yet you've tried all these different options and nothing has worked? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can increase your credit score using 5 different types of credit building apps. Now, these apps have actually helped me build my credit score and as long as some of the clients that I've worked with. So I really wanted to make this video for you guys because I see that a lot of people always ask me in the comment section how to increase your score using so-and-so products or softwares. Alright guys, so before we get started, I want to put out a huge disclaimer. So this disclaimer is going to be informing you that you can't solely and fully rely on these credit building apps to increase your score. You still need to make sure that you're putting your part into every aspect of your entire credit score. Meaning that you still need to make sure that you have no late payments, and if you do, try to send out a goodwill letter, try to get in contact with your debtor and make sure that you can actually see if you can fix something like this. But again, just want to give you a disclaimer before I get started, is to understand your whole purpose of your credit score. Don't solely focus on these credit building apps, but they will help you increase your score. And again, just make sure that you put everything into your part in order to boost your credit score. So let's go and get started onto these credit building apps. And number 1 on my list here is going to be Self. So as you can see, Self helps you build credit and also save money. And how does that work exactly? Well, what's going to happen is that you're going to apply for a credit builder account and there is no hard inquiry, which is perfect. Now, once you do, they're gonna be taking out a loan, and this loan is gonna go into a CD or certification of deposit. Now you're gonna be making monthly payments to this account, and it's gonna go ahead and start reporting to all 3 credit bureaus. So each on-time monthly payment builds credit history and also adds to your savings. Now once you paid off the entire credit builder account, your CD unlocks and the money is yours, obviously minus the fees and also any interest. So as we move forward here, here's some of the features that you can get with Self. And I'm also going to show you my dashboard so you guys can see that I'm actually using it myself. Now the features here are, again, no hard inquiry pull. So when you apply for your Self credit builder account, it won't affect you in any way. Obviously, if you do get denied, it hurts a little bit. So once you do that, you also get set up automatic payments to make sure that you keep track of all your on-time payments. Now this will help you without any due dates and making sure that you are set up correctly. Now the next thing here is going to be you're able to track your credit score. So when you track your credit score, you can actually get your monthly updates on your credit account, and it's going to let you know if your credit score went up or down. Now another great feature about Self is that it's going to report to all 3 bureaus, and that's going to be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So another cool thing is, which I don't recommend, is that you can cancel anytime. So you can actually get your savings progress back, but it's still gonna, charge you the fees and any interest as well. So again, let's go on to the pricing of Self. And what I went through was the medium builder. So I'm actually paying for the large builder. So the large builder is $48 a month for 12 months. So that's gonna be 1 year. You actually get back $539, and every single one of these pricing plans comes with an admin fee of $9, but it really depends up to you. So whatever you feel like you can budget towards, I would recommend picking that plan. But each one at the end of the day is going to give you your money back plus a better credit score. So again, you can see here on the bottom, that's going to show you the APR and also just the overall interest rate. So the average is actually going to be about 14%. So yeah, you don't need any credit history. You don't need a good credit score to get involved with Self. And once you actually make 3 on-time payments, you will be able to get approved for their credit card. And they have the Self Visa credit card, which is pretty cool as well. So that is going to be the number 1 on my list as of now. Let's go ahead and move on to the other credit building apps. So number 2 on my list is going to be Kickoff. So if you're looking to get a very affordable credit builder loan for $500, then I'd recommend using Kickoff. And as you can see, Kickoff is very, very affordable. There is no credit pull as well, same thing as Self. And honestly, most of these companies are all pretty similar. It just depends on who you want to go with. And at the end of the day, you can choose more than one. So This will allow you to boost your payment history and also optimize your credit utilization. So it really does help in regards to your overall credit report. Again, it's very, very affordable. So Kickoff, what this does is gives you and reports a $500 credit line. You get instantly approved with no credit check, and this allows you to start building your payment history only for $2 a month. So again, those $2 a month, I'm actually paying for it as well. And just very quickly, I'll show you my online account, a screenshot, and it's a very affordable, and you get to see your credit score grow. I also have auto pay set up. I think you actually need to set up auto pay, and it's through Plaid, which is a secure network for banks. And again, very affordable when it comes to wanting to build your credit score. Again, I would recommend maybe hopefully focusing on having this on the side, because since it's such a low credit line, it might not be that much of a positive effect. I haven't seen that many great differences between Self and Kickoff, while Self has helped me longer, but Kickoff is still pretty new, so I can't really give you too much information on how my credit score has changed using this product. But are there any, the biggest question most people are going to ask is, are there any other fees? So there is no additional fees. You only have to pay for that $2 a month for that membership payment, which is how they make their money. And it's going to be 0 interest and 0 in other fees. Now they do have another product which is focused on a bigger credit line, which you can get. But just to start off, I would recommend the $500 credit line, and you just start paying $2 per month towards that directly. Alright guys, so number 3 on our list today is going to be Credit Strong. So very similar to Self, this is also another credit builder loan. So let's go ahead and move on to see exactly how they help you. So here on my screen, you can see that Credit Strong, you can actually apply in a few minutes, and it will instantly give you a bank loan and place the funds in an FDIC insured savings account. So I do believe the account is with Austin Bank, which is a FDIC insured account. And once you start making your monthly payments, they will report to the major credit bureaus, which will be all 3 of them, which is really good in the case of trying to make sure you have and leverage all that for the credit bureaus and as well as your credit report. So once you keep moving forward here, you're going to be able to track your progress. And amazingly, they actually do provide you with a FICO score 8 completely for free, and you can actually track all your progress. And it is true that 90% of most top lenders use FICO scores when they are making their purchasing decisions. So once you finish and complete the payment amount, it's going to unlock your savings, and once your loan is paid in full, the lock is removed from the savings account, and you've already built your credit, and also you built some savings. So let's move on to the pricing of Credit Strong. So you can see that they do have 3 different plans, which would be Subscribe. It would take out up to 1,000 installment payments or up to 2,500. I recommend going with the Build and Save. So this actually reports up to 2,000 as well, but you can build history up to 24 months of credit history. Now, one thing that I actually do like about Credit Strong is that they do have a business side. So if you're trying to build business credit, you can actually do the exact same thing by getting a credit builder loan for your business account, and this will actually help build your business credit. So 100% recommend that when it comes to using this company. So if we go on to here, it says build business credit using your EIN number. So again, this can help you leverage whether you want to get better credit card reward points for your business, if you need to qualify for a loan in the future. I would 100% recommend using something like this. All right, numero cuatro. Number 4 is going to be Grow Credit. So Grow Credit is another really cool app that you can leverage, and it is a MasterCard. So once you actually get the card, you can use it to pay your subscriptions and also any of your honestly monthly subscriptions. So I would recommend when you guys actually use Grow Credit, and I've actually made a review on this, so I'll go ahead and link that here on the top of this video. So Grow Credit will actually pay for all your subscriptions, and then at the end of the month you will make your payments to that. So they have different pricing plans that we can go over, but whether you're using Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney, or even your phone bill, you can just use your Grow Credit account and pay that on an on-time payment, and then they will actually report to all 3 major credit bureaus. So again, I would 100% recommend doing something like that as well when it comes to building your credit. So how does it work? you're gonna go ahead and sign up and get an interest-free MasterCard. You're gonna add your subscriptions, and then you're gonna move on to getting the MasterCard as your payment method, and it's gonna give you your online account and everything else. So once you do that, you basically sit back and watch your credit grow. Obviously, it's not that easy. You need to make sure that you're keeping up with all the payments, making sure that you have everything set up on auto pay, and that is something that I would recommend. You can actually start on a free plan. So I would recommend doing this with like your Netflix and your live streaming accounts. Once you feel comfortable and you actually do like the product, you can start moving towards more of an annual limit. So your monthly spending can go up to $150, which could lead to paying off your phone, which can lead to paying even like Hulu Plus, which is like $70. It's really expensive. I mean, I'm paying for that, so you know how it is. So again, Grow Credit is definitely a good way to get started building your credit using a MasterCard and leveraging your subscription payments. Okay, so the last one on today's list was a little more difficult to me to choose from because there's so many different credit building apps that I could talk about for days and days. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys some more alternatives at the end of the video. But number 5 on our list for now is gonna be Sable. So Sable is actually a debit and credit card that you can get. I 100% recommend it, but the thing is, in order to get the Sable credit card, you need to create a debit account. The only reason why I'm telling you about this product is not only does it let you build credit and you actually get an unsecured loan for the first 4 months, then it'll become secured after that. The great thing about this product though, and the reason why I'm telling you about this, is that you get unlimited 2% cash back on any of your favorite brands, and also a 2x for your year. Basically, what they're gonna do is match your first year on your cash back. So that's insane. You also get insurance, so for car rental insurance, depending on where you go and the location. You also get cell phone protection, and there is no credit check. So once you create the debit account, you're actually going to be able to apply for the credit card as well, and this will help you establish credit and also report to all the major credit bureaus. So it's very simple to do. You just need to put the money down and choose a credit limit. So if you're going to put $200, you're going to get a $200 credit line, and every time you make an on-time payment, Sable will go ahead and provide this information to the 3 national credit bureaus. You also get a Sable app, and you get personalized updates for your credit score and what's truly impacting it in the best way possible. So again, the last step here is once you graduate to an unsecured credit card, which would be 4 months, you get 100% of your secured deposit back, and this will not affect you in any bad way. Again, you can see that this helps you with 35% payment history, 30% account utilization, 50% account age, and then 20% everything else that comes with credit. Yeah, so this is the app. You can see here. You get a credit coach in the palm of your hands, because it's an app obviously. You put the money down, you set a credit limit, you make sure that you spend that money wisely, you increase your credit score, and then you get your deposit back within 4 months, as long as you're doing everything correctly. Now, again, I would recommend using this tool. It's going to be a physical card, but obviously you can have the app for the virtual card. And this is going to be the last one on my list for the day. But let's go ahead and talk about a few other alternatives, and just going to name them out here. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this content. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this content. And for those of you that are still watching to the end of this video, I'm going to give you 5 other credit builders that I actually created on my blog post at eddiebuy.com, best credit building apps. I go ahead and link that in the bottom of the description. And also any links that you guys click on the bottom of my description as well is more than likely going to be an affiliate link. So these affiliate links actually help me and fund my business. It helps me make sure I create better content for you guys. So again, as an affiliate disclaimer, those more than likely will be affiliate links. So thank you again if you do make any purchases, and it does benefit for the both of us. Now, in regards to these other credit building apps, I'm gonna let you know of 5 more. So the other one's gonna be the Extra debit card. The next one is Money Lion. The next one is gonna be Bridget, SeedFi, and those are the ones that you can use for your credit building apps if you're looking for other alternatives. Well, if you guys want to keep watching my content, I create videos on online business, making money online, and also just building your credit because those are the things that I enjoy. If you guys are into that, go ahead and smash that like button for me, and also do not forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.